having always, as we do, read the problem at least twice, we're looking to figure out what the total cost of the wedding is going to be so we can determine our portion of it and then determine at what age will we be able to afford all of this. So having read it and then documented the assumptions, notice that up top it says that we're making $100,000 per year, but we're also being taxed at 32%. But that the suggestion was the spending multiple was a monthly multiple, 7 times your after-tax monthly income net. So what we'll do is first is we'll take the $100,000 and we'll multiply it by 1 minus the tax rate. That tells us we have $68,000 per year to work with after tax. If we then divide that by 12, tells us that we have 5666.67 to play with every month then. What then we can do is then determine the cost of the wedding as being a multiple of that 566 number. And so we've got up to, call it just short of $40,000 to spend on the wedding. So if that total wedding's cost is just short of $40,000, now we need to figure out how much we will have in the future versus what our parents are going to deal with for. So our parents, it says, was going to get us $25,000 at that time, which means we're going to have at least $14,000 saved up in order to begin there. So we're going to need to achieve that savings goal. How are we going to do it? We're going to start saving at 22 years old and save $35 per month every month. We don't have a particular amount that we're starting off with. We are trying to figure out, though, a future value so we can know how we can get there. So that future value is going to be the $14,667. Notice that it says that we're going to save $35 per month. So we're going to put in a monthly payment of $35. I'm going to make it negative so that it's cash flows that are investments going out. And we're going to need to earn a rate of, this one is already presented to us monthly. How did we get that over there at that 0.0114? It told us it was the rate of return every month. So we're saving $35 and we're doing it at an interest rate that is presented to us in months. So now that we can calculate the number of periods. So if we use the number of periods with that monthly rate and that monthly payment to that future value, oops, I missed. Let's make sure we do that right. Equals that rate. There's our payment. Present value, I skipped that one before. Future value, close it off. That is 154-ish months from now. So in years, if we divide that by 12, then it looks like you're going to be 12.9 years older than you are now. And right now it said that you're 22 years old. So it looks like you're going to be almost 35 by the time you get married, if you're committed to that savings plan.